Yep. Go for it, man.
All right.
What's your name and full rundown?
Steven, I got a Taramp MD12K, 80 amp hours of lithium on 4 ZBX 15s.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Matt Kimble built the box.
Okay. Do you know the specs on it?
It's tuned at 32. I'm not sure on the cubes.
Okay. All right. And have you metered it yet?
I have not metered it with the amp.
Okay. So you upgraded?
Yep.
What did you have before?
The SK 3500 strapped.
So you had two 3500 strapped.
At 2 ohm.
2 ohm. And then you went to the single 12K.
At half ohm.
Half ohm. Which one do you feel is louder?
This.
This one? Okay.
It plays lower with this one too.
Plays lower? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That shows you how you add power. It affects your frequency response.
I can go, before I could only go to 25, now I can go 22.
Wow. Okay.
And it goes a lot higher.
So make them drinks strong, 'cause brother, she's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'ma need some. make them drinks strong. Brother, she's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'ma need some whiskey.
Holy smokes. Oh man, I appreciate that demo, dude. Holy smokes. Can I see the back?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Man, that's nice.
I got a different alternator now.
Oh, you did? Okay. Woo. What made you go with top port versus back or side?
Not enough space.
Okay. But you optimize your space and got it. All right.
You're still cold.
Yep.
It's inverted.
Awesome. What size alternator did you have?
I had the MechMan 370 and now I have a brand X 390.
390. That helped your electrical too. Oh yeah. Every amp counts. Thanks, man. What was your name? Steven, Jacob. Appreciate it, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.